Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fit and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your computer teacher, Miss Madhuri from California Public School. And today we are going to start lesson number 5th, Presentation Software Special Effects. So what is a presentation software? Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful presentation tool. It helps us to communicate our views and ideas effectively by adding text, diagrams, photos, charts, clip arts, sounds, colors, designs and animated special effects. बेसिकली माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट क्या है? एक पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन टूल है एंड दिस टूल यू कैन यूज टू कम्युनिकेट अवर आइडियाज एंड व्यूज इफेक्टिवली. Yes, and in this Microsoft PowerPoint we can create different types of slides, and within the slide we can add any type of text, diagram, photo, chart, clip art, sound we can insert, color we can give, design we can take, and special effects we can use. So in the previous class you learnt how to create slides in PowerPoint 2010 and add text and pictures in a slide. So in this chapter you will learn how to format text and work with themes and enhance the quality of slides. Yes, in this chapter we are going to discuss how we can improve the look of the slides. Yes, so in Microsoft PowerPoint one can create a presentation in two ways. In two ways we can create presentation. First way is blank presentation and second one is sample templates. Blank presentation means we are going to create a new presentation, and sampling template means already जो बने हुए template हैं that we are going to use. So what are built-in templates? After opening the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, click on the File tab and then New option. Under the available templates and theme section, select the sample templates. Yes, after opening Microsoft PowerPoint, you have to click on this File tab, and after that there is option New. And whenever you will click on the New, there is option Sample Templates under the available templates and theme. Yes, we have to choose this option. So next, select Introducing PowerPoint 2010 and click on the Create button. The selected template open as a new presentation. And after selecting this sample template, we have to click on this Create option, Create button. So this new presentation contain 20 slides illustrating different slide layouts, backgrounds and themes, etc. Now add text in the placeholder of each slide and view the slideshow. So now we have started built-in templates. Yes, we have opened built-in template means already बना हुआ template हमने open किया है. तो ये हमें क्या करेगा? 20 slides already जो बनी हुई हैं वो हमें open करेगा. Yes, and that slides we can alter according to our requirement. So next is enhancing the look of a presentation. कोई भी प्रेजेंटेशन हमने बनाई उसको उसकी लुक को हम कैसे इन्हेंस कर सकते हैं और अच्छा कैसे बना सकते हैं. सो क्रिएट अ न्यू प्रेजेंटेशन बाय यूजिंग द ब्लैंक प्रेजेंटेशन एंड एंटर द टेक्स्ट एज शोन इन द फिगर. Yes, firstly we have to open a blank presentation and we have to write any type text. So select the text and click on the font drop down list in the font group on the home tab. Select any font. The font of the selected text gets changed. After opening after clicking on this, after selecting this text, we have to click on the font option. Yes, we have to choose this font option under the home tab. Yes, so you can change the font size by clicking on the drop down arrow next to the font size button in the font group and selecting the desired size. And if we want to increase the size of this written text, then we can take the help of these options. Yes, from here we can choose. Now its size is 44, but if we want to change then we can change from here. And if we want to increase the size then we can choose this option. If we want to decrease the size, हमने कम करना है, then we can choose this option. Yes, so after this is select the text and click on the text shadow button to give shadow effect, and clicking again will be remove the shadow effect. अगर हमने shadow effect देना है then we can take the help of this text shadow option. Yes, this is text shadow option. So to apply formatting style to the text, click on the button bold, italic and underline. Yes, अगर हमने कोई specific style देना है अपने text को then we can use bold, italic and underline. bold से क्या होगा? आपका text dark color में आएगा. italic से वो थोड़ा सा slanting से थोड़ा सा स्लैंटिंग हो जाएगा एंड आफ्टर दैट अंडरलाइन की हेल्प से आप क्या कर सकते हो, कोई भी टेक्स्ट है वो आपका क्या हो जाएगा, बीच में उसके डाउन साइड क्या है, एक लाइन आएगी. यस, इट मीन्स वो अंडरलाइन हो जाएगा. So next one is specifying alignment. So what is alignment? Alignment refers to the placement of a text on a slide. Alignment क्या होती है कि आपकी जो text है उसकी placement क्या है on a slide. Yes, whether your text will be on left side, right side, up side, down side or center side. So there are two types of alignments: vertical alignment and horizontal alignment. So how we can set vertical alignment? Firstly, select the text. Then click on the drop down arrow of the align text button on the home tab in the paragraph group. Yes, in the home tab in the paragraph group we have to choose this align text option. So whenever we will click on this option, there will be three options: top, middle and bottom. Yes, according to our requirement we can choose any. अगर हम top alignment choose करेंगे then our text will be moved to the up side, on the top side, and here you can see our text will be placed on the center, and here our text if we will choose this bottom option then our text will be moved to the downside. So next, same like this vertical alignment, we have options related to the horizontal alignment. So there are options: align text left, center, align text right and justify alignment. Yes, अगर हम align text left करेंगे तो हमारा text left side move होगा. If we will choose center then our text will be on center side. If we will choose text right then our text will be moved to the right side, and if we will just choose justify तो हमारा text क्या है, left और right से क्या है, equal रहेगा. So next one is specifying line spacing. How we can set line spacing? Line spacing means in between two lines how many space we are going to give. Yes, कितनी space हम दे सकते हैं. So select the text and click on the line spacing button in the paragraph group on the home tab. Firstly we have to choose the home tab, and then in the paragraph group there is option line spacing. Yes, this is line spacing option, and whenever we will click on this option there will be multiple options: 1.0, 1.5, 3.0, and according to our requirement we can set our line spacing. So next is applying themes. Yes, themes क्या होते हैं, जो already pre-designed formats होते हैं, that we can also use. So how to use these applying themes? How we can include these themes? Firstly we have to click on the design tab. Yes, here you can see this is your design tab, and whenever you will click on the design tab there will be 20 plus design available. Yes, and according to our requirement we can choose any design. Yes, you can see in colorful designs are available. Yes, and according to our requirement we can choose any one from these. So students, this is enough for today. Rest of the topics we will discuss in the next video. So take care students, have a nice day, goodbye.